good, y'all? It's Braids by NetNet. I want to welcome you all back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on goddess box braids. I love these braids, y'all. I wear these braids for 4 weeks. Could have stayed up longer, but I wanted to do something else different for you guys, so please stay tuned. So when I start off, I take some braid hair and some crochet ripple hair. I add it together and I just start braiding. And once I get to a certain point, like I'll braid down about 1/4 of the braid, and I take a piece of the hair and I wrap it on top of the ponytail I have just to get it out my way. I will continue to braid, and then I add some hair just for length. You can also take some of the crochet hair, cut it in half, and just put it at the bottom of the hair. But this is one way or one method that I use for some of my braids. So please stay tuned so I can show you guys my other methods that I also use just for length. Oh, and here I am showing you all how I tie the knot at the end of the braid. Some braiders, they will tie it. I chose to tie it twice, and some will also use some super glue at the bottom of the braid. This is also a method that I used to use when I used to do micros some years ago. And yeah, and again, some people still use super glue. So at the end of the braid, I get the scissors and I cut off the excess hair from when I knotted it, and I also cut off some extra hair from the braid hair that was sticking out. So here in the front of my hair, I am not going to add, or I did not add any of the crochet hair in with this braid because I wanted the front row of my hair to kind of be of a uniform look, and I don't want a really messy look for the front row of my hair. So I just used regular braided hair, and when I got to the bottom of my braid, I did add some crochet hair, in which I told you guys before, I cut it in half and I added it at the bottom of my hair, and I continued to braid and I knotted it. And I use some Shine and Jam to slick down my baby hairs, or the hair that I have left out around my edges. And yeah, that's about it. So please let me know down below what do you guys think of the style and what other styles you guys would like to see me do next. Thank you for tuning in, and please like, comment, and subscribe.